Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Clean, just wanting to show you this. So we've got some electronic louvers. These are the louvers that will automatically close when and if there's rain. As you can see, there's just masses of build-up of lichen and dirt and mold. And yeah, so we're basically going to be cleaning this all up for her, for this customer. And we have to work both sides, so even though it looks like a straightforward job, as you can see here, we've got 4 surfaces, right, that we need to work on to get a decent result on this. And we've also got the added slight complexity of untreated wood. So untreated wood and mold and mildew treatments don't always go well together, so we're going to have to be extra careful with this, making sure we thoroughly rinse the wood as we are spraying the chemical. Anyway, that's a cleaning detail. And then we're basically going to clean up all these louvers. I'll show you the results, and then we're going to be working on this lovely outdoor setting table that she has, and she wants this restored. So I've been told that this is a teak, so we will be using specific wood restoration chemicals on this to get it to a point where it's going to look glorious, and I'll show you that at the end too. It'll look really, really good. You do not use mold and mildew treatments on this wood. It's not good to do that. So there's specifically, we're going to be using a cleaner, a specific wood cleaner and a specific wood brightener on that table setting. Alright, so I hope that's helpful, and we'll look forward to showing you the results. Show you this, folks. So this is the wood it's been wet. It's been wettened, so we just rinsed it down. This is wood that's had the cleaning agent on it, and this is wood that has been cleaned and rinsed. Okay, so you can see a big difference in color and texture, and we haven't even started putting the brightener down. We'll wait till we put the brightener on this, and you'll see it pop to another level. All right, so I'm just going to show you here. This is, if you want to do wood properly, you don't use any kind of bleach or chlorine. So I'm just putting on a specific wood restoration cleaning chemical. Okay, and that's what we're working with here. And then we're just gently agitating that chemical, not with a lot of pressure or anything, but we're just putting that chemical, just getting it into the grain a bit. And that'll just help. You can see already the difference that's coming through. It just helps it clean the fibers and the mold and all the mildew, etc. And then we'll give it a rinse, and we'll go through with the brightener. Alright, I hope that's helpful to you. Show you the end results at the end. Look at this, folks. This is the louvers cleaned. I hope you can see that. It's almost like new. Pretty much like new. So I'll show you that here, so you can see the face that we're looking at here. That's a great angle there, right there. So this is the joy of working with chemical, and the joy of working with people that know who they're up to. You won't have to do this for maybe more than 8 to 10 years, okay? So it goes to show what can be achieved. And as I say this to many, many customers, just remember, when you are engaging a trades business, you need to know if they know what they're doing. And it's not always about going with the cheapest price. You need to know that they know what they're doing, and that you're going to get the value that you want out of the service. So I hope these results are testament to that. Look at this table. I'm absolutely wrapped with it. I love it. I love doing this kind of restoration work. So this is we've put a cleaner on it, as I think I mentioned, and we've gone over it with a brightener. And we haven't just done the tabletop, we've done all the edging, the legs, everything. So it's all been done properly and completely restored. She won't have to probably buy another outdoor table for the rest of her life if she just maintains this one, keeps it clean from time to time, and we'll go from there. Hope you enjoyed watching, and stay in touch if we can help you with something in the way of exterior cleaning.